So, what are harmonics? Well, the simplest way to define a harmonic would be to say that harmonics are multiples of a fundamental frequency. So what does that mean? Let's say we have a sine wave at 100 Hz. This is called our fundamental frequency. So can you guess what our second harmonic above that would be? 200 Hz. Third? 300. Fourth? 400. Fifth? You get the idea. So the multiples of the 2s, the 4s, the 6s, these would be called our even-ordered harmonics. And then the 3s, the 5s, the 7s, we would call these our odd-ordered harmonics. Every single wave can be seen as a consolidation of sine waves. Each and every harmonic is its own individual sine wave. Well, if every harmonic is a sine wave, then what's a square wave? A square wave is literally a bunch of sine waves added together. You've got your fundamental frequency, plus all the odd-ordered harmonics on top of it. So that would be your 100 Hz would be your fundamental, and you have your 300, your 500, your 700, your 900, all combining together to make a single square wave. So if that's a square, then what's a saw wave? It's the same idea. You have your fundamental frequency at 100 Hz, and then you have both even and odd-ordered harmonics. So you'd have your 200, your 300, your 400, your 500, all the way up to infinity. All of these are sine waves merging together to make a single saw wave. Every complex wave is just a combination of sine waves, no matter what kind of wave it is. Every single wave can be seen as a consolidation of sine waves. So stick around, follow or subscribe, and I'll show you everything you need to know to start combining these waves. Feel free to ask questions in the comments. Make sure to leave a like. Thanks for watching.